Usapang bigas na naman tayo. Marami akong nakikitang post na kung hindi mapababa ni PBBM ang presyo ng bigas, siya na lang yung bababa. 'Di ba? Yan yung sinasabi ng mga tao na kung makapagsalita about sa gobyernong ito, akala mo naman naiintindihan ang nangyayari. Okay, here's what I know. Okay? This is what is going on. Alam natin na ang taas-taas na talaga ng presyo ng bigas. It started, 'di ba, na nag-spike to 50 pesos. To 62 pesos, and if we are not careful and if the government does not do anything, it will reach 65 pesos in the coming days. However, despite blaming the president, which a lot of you are doing on social media, this is what he did. Okay? So, si PBBM, he really wants to focus on what is going on with the rice hoarding that is currently happening in the Philippines today. So, there was a surprise inspection in 3 really big rice mills in Bocaue and Balagtas, Bulacan, that was done by the House of Representatives headed by House Speaker Martin Romualdez and different congressmen plus the Bureau of Customs. Okay? So, ito ang kanilang nakita sa mga rice mill and warehouses na ito. Nag-iimbak sila ng 3 months worth ng rice supply. That is hoarding. That is unforgivable and illegal. Yan po yung nangyayari. Tinatago po, nung sinabi ko nung last video ko, ay tinatago po talaga ng mga negosyante, yung mga locally milled rice, on top of hinohold din nila yung imported rice, tapos pina-price match nila para parehong mahal. Diba sabi ko, tumataas ang presyo, diba, pag may scarcity sa market. Kasi wala tayong choice, bibili talaga tayo kahit gaano pa kataas at magrereklamo lang tayo. But that is what the government is doing now. Okay? They are inspecting warehouses alongside the Bureau of Customs. Aside from the DA, aside from the House of Representatives, they are also going to penalize and file cases against these rice hoarders. On top of that, there will be stricter laws in aid of legislation kasi magsusulat ng even stricter measures to guard against rice hoarding, smuggling, price manipulation, including business people and even government officials na sangkot dito. So yan po yung nangyayari. Hindi ho kasalanan ni PBBM. Siya po ang naghahanap ng solusyon para sa problema natin sa bigas. Pero kung pag-uusapan ho natin kung may supply po ba ang Pilipinas o wala, meron po. It just so happens that because of greed, tinatago po ang locally milled rice at hinuhold ang imported rice para kunwari walang supply. So they can sell it for much higher than what it actually is. Okay? Yan po yun. Okay? The measures that are being done are, number 1, more inspections will be done. More inspections. Number 2, stricter laws will be written and passed in Congress. So, 3 congressman na po yun kanina na nag-pledge that they will be making bills for stricter rules. Okay? Which I mentioned already. And number 3, cases have already been filed because actionable po ang mga accusations on rice hoarding that is currently happening. So I hope klaro to sa mga tao. I hope that, again, uulitin ko, democracy calls for us to blame the president for everything. Sa inyo yan. But at least before blaming him for something, we also must acknowledge what the current administration is doing to help this problem. Klaro? Ingat! Mwah.